In this guide, I'll show you how to fix slow downloads on Google Chrome. So with Chrome open, select the three dots in the top right corner, and we're going to go to Settings. Now from Settings, select Privacy and Security on the left sidebar, then scroll down on this page and select Security at the bottom. Now in Security Settings, scroll down, and under Advanced, you'll see Use Secure DNS, so make sure this is turned on, and under Select DNS Provider, try changing it from Operating System Default to the Google DNS or the Cloudflare DNS. Then once you've done that, we're now going to open up a new tab. And in the new tab, type in Chrome://flags. So in this section, we're going to be going to the search bar at the top, and you want to type in parallel. And once you see parallel downloading, try changing this from default to enabled. Now, once you've done that, you could also try power cycling your home network by unplugging your modem and/or router for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to reset, and then see if your download speed increases. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.